Get acquainted with the 2018 Jaguar F-Pace. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a multi-talented F-Pace that offers the style, performance, and practicality you're looking for. All-wheel drive capability, driver assist safety features, flexible interior space, sensuous lines, and a thrilling drive are yours in this midsize luxury crossover with distinctive motorsport DNA. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Indulge your passion for motorsport performance in this superbly designed F-Pace. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.